Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you can hear it in my voice, I am getting over a cold, and I know I've said this in so many videos recently that we're getting over colds, that the kids have been sick, you know, that whole thing. But I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that we laid so low last year, and now both of the kids are in their own school activities, and then we've got other, you know, just activities that we go to. So we've been just hit left, right, and center, and it's just one of those things that my immune system needs to get back up into gear, and we'll go on from there. So it's nothing that's really bothering me apart from that congested sounding thing. So anyway, today's video is not a knitting video. It's actually a Chloe wallet unboxing, which I have never done on this channel before. I don't think I've got any like luxury unboxings at all, but for this, I thought it'd be kind of fun because I do have a story as to why I needed to get a wallet in the first place. So I had a little Coach card holder for quite a while, and they do still make them. I can link it down below if you want to check it out. But it was a really nice little card holder because on one end it was a clear plastic material, so I could put my driver's license in there, and then if I went somewhere that they needed to see my driver's license, I didn't even have to take it out. And then on the other side it had a couple pockets for credit and debit cards, and then it also had a coin pouch, so it was really slick, really tiny little thing on a keychain. Worked really well. I actually had a similar one back when I was in college and kind of fell in love with that style. But last year I lost this wallet, and I still have not figured out where it is. I'm sure that it is somewhere in our house, but I don't know where. And I did get everything replaced. Nothing was stolen or anything, which makes me also think that it has to be somewhere in this house. I mean, I would have assumed that if it wasn't returned to me, because it does have our address on my driver's license, that someone would have used like the credit or debit card. So anyway, either way, it's gone, and I have not been able to find it, and it's been a year, so I just felt like I should maybe replace it at this point. So I was looking around for a new wallet and found one that I really liked from Chloe and picked that up a couple days ago. I ordered it online. There's not a store near me. I think the nearest one is like Chicago, and I'm not planning on going all the way to Chicago. Like, what is it, 8 to 10 hour road trip there? No, I'm not gonna go there for a wallet. That's not happening. But I thought that I would do an unboxing with you guys so that you can kind of see what I picked up too. So anyway, this box right back here is my wallet, and this is ridiculous. So this is the box that it came in. It's massive, and I don't know why this was needed to ship a wallet, because here, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It does have a little magnetic flap here, and it's really prettily packaged. Like, there's this really pretty pink bow, and then they've got the packing slip here in a nice little folder, really cute. And then this right here is my little wallet box. So this box contains this dust bag, which contains a box. So it feels a little bit frivolous to me, but we're just gonna go ahead and go on into it. So here's my little dust bag, and then here is the box that contains the wallet. So we're gonna open this up, and in here we have another little dust bag, and I did also get a little charm, and I'll open that in just a minute. But this little dust bag is where my wallet is. So this is ridiculous. Here, let me just move this around. This big box was used to ship this. Doesn't there seem to be a better way of doing that? But anyway, inside here is my little wallet. So this is the Alphabet wallet, and I really like it. They do have little trifolds and a larger wallet as well, but I wanted to go with something that was more of a mid-size The trifold looked like it would be a little bit small for me, but this one was absolutely perfect. So it is in a little tan color. I don't remember the actual name of this, but it's really pretty. I love the little tassel here. And then right here, I'm gonna take this little thing off, is where my charm is gonna go. So I did get a little B initial for my last name, and so that'll go on there. It's a nice little jump ring. It just kind of pops in and out, so it's really easy to get things on, but it goes back really nicely, so I'm not really worried about losing any charms. And then it does also have a little tag here. And then on the back there is a flat pouch here. I suppose you could put just kind of emergency cash, like a $20 bill or something. I don't know that I would necessarily use this for the majority of my money, but it's there. And then on the inside here, it has a little zippered pouch right there. It's got plenty of spaces for cards, 2 more flat pockets here, and then also one along the side here. So lots and lots of space. I really, really like this. It just feels nice and luxurious. And yeah, I'm very impressed with it. I was a little bit worried that it would be too small, too big, you know. I tried to figure out the dimensions, but this is going to be the perfect size for me. So let's go ahead and get that little charm out to put that on there. So it's all bubble wrapped here. And there is my little bee charm. I think it's really pretty, just very simple and basic. I had thought about going with the M, but I didn't like the design of that one. So this one is much more my style. The M kind of had a cutout design to it, and it just wasn't what I was looking for. This does have a massive tag attached, so it's going to be a little bit weird when I put this on. But I just wanted to get an idea. Oh, I like that. Very, very pretty. So yeah, that is my little Chloe unboxing, and I'm really excited to start wearing this. Well, not really wearing it, I guess. I'll probably just be putting this in my current diaper bag, which is a Lily Jade Megan, and I do have a what's in my bag video on that diaper bag, and I can link that below if you want to check it out. But I think that this is going to be pretty perfect. Like I said, I was a little bit worried about the size, but considering that I do still carry a diaper bag, tossing this in there, it's going to be really easy to find this. And I think that I just heard my little guy, he's supposed to be taking a nap, but he has been sneaking out of his bedroom every once in a while. So I'm gonna go. I know this wasn't my typical kind of video, but like I said, it is kind of fun to throw in a lifestyle video every once in a while. And next week I am going to be sharing a new how to knit video. I am working on a children's hat pattern that I'm really loving, and I hope you guys like it too. So that will be coming next week, and I will see you then. So anyway, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!